Hi viewers, welcome to Sara Pakistan. Our today's video is about A-level mathematics. We hope that this video will help you to understand difficult concepts. However, if you feel any difficulty, please let us know through comments and we'll try to help you accordingly. Before we start our today's video, you are requested to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. We hope you will like and share it with your friends. Viewers, let's start learning mathematics now. Hi viewers, welcome to Sara Pakistan. We are solving exercise 1C question number 2. Here you have a rectangle with sides x and 3x minus 2. The area of this rectangle is 63 centimeter square and you have to find out the value of x up to 3 significant figures. Let's start the question. First of all, the area of rectangle is A equal to length time width. So putting the values, you will get 63 is equal to length is 3x minus 2 times width is x. So on simplification, you will get 3x square minus 2x equals to 63. On rearranging, you will get 3x square minus 2x minus 63 equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation and you can find the values of a, which is 3, and the value of b is minus 2, and the value of c is minus 63. Applying the quadratic formula, you will get minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac whole over 2a. Now put the values. Minus time b is minus 2 plus minus b square minus 2 square minus 4 time a is 3, and time c is minus 63 whole over 2a, and a is 3. X will be equal to 2 plus minus under the root 4 minus minus plus 12 times 63 over 6, and x is equal to 2 plus minus 4 plus 12 times 63 will become 756 over 6 x equal to 2 plus minus 760 over 6. You will get two values. X is equal to 2 plus the square root of 760 will be 27.57 almost over 6, and x is, so this is the answer. We will not go for the negative side because this is distance and distance is never negative. So the answer will be 4.93. Viewers, thanks for your precious time. Please subscribe to our channel Sara Pakistan and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Hope you will like and share this video within your circle. Stay connected and thanks for watching.